You're at the hospital. Administration is right there. I'm gonna go get in there into the emergency, sir. Get in there. Here. Get out of my car now. Where is my get out of my car now? I don't know where I am. I'm asking you where is my destination if you are kindly right. Hold into your destination. Said here I was at your destination. It's over. Get out of my car now. It's set 7. Get out of my car now. Sir, I'm... Get out of my car now! Why are you yelling at me? Because you won't! Get out of my car! But you're not to yell at me. You're not to. In 1. Do it. Do it. Do it. 9. 1. Do it. Do it. Do it. You are facing... Get out! Right! Now! Now! Get out of my car! I'm facing a... Moron! Get out! Out! Now! Now! You have no right to. I will talk to you any way I want. Really? Yes, I will. And I have the right. Where am I? You're at the hospital. We need to get out of my car. Hello? Can you get her out of my car, please? Please. Beep.